So something be a vehicle with a few variables like can move, be good can for static. No, not really, because a vehicle is really a class. It's really an object that you would want to interact with. You would want more than one vehicles in your program. Because right here with static, you can only have one thing that's declared static in your program. We can only have one number of people. We can only have one number of people with name of blah. A vehicle, you would want multiple instances.
From my perspective, static is one of those things, particularly with classes as well, that it's kind of difficult to see why it's bad at first, and it seems more useful than it is.
Yeah, it's effectively globals, which have always, in the history of programming, been what people generally gravitate to before they actually start realizing that typing a little bit more code to avoid using that feature makes their code more robust.